recalling and reaffirming the resolution passed by this National Assembly dated August 2nd, 2024, this House once again strongly condemns the ongoing heinous wave of atrocities by the Zionist Israeli regime. Notes with utter disgust that the latest Israeli offensive resumed on March 18 has resulted in the killing of 1,600 innocent Palestinians, bringing the total toll to over 65,000 deaths in Gaza. Rebukes severely the ruthless destruction of complete civil infrastructure, including housing, hospitals, schools, and places of worship by the barbaric Israeli bombing. Expresses unwavering solidarity with the Palestinian brothers and sisters in their just struggle and reaffirms their inalienable right of self-determination and to their motherland. Dismayed over the persistent failure of international community to halt Israeli aggression and calls urgently for an immediate, permanent, and comprehensive ceasefire, along with the delivery of uninterrupted and sustainable humanitarian assistance to the besieged and beleaguered Palestinians. Demands the immediate and unconditional withdrawal of Israeli occupying forces from the Gaza Strip in line with United Nations Security Council Resolution 2735 of 2024. Urges the international community to take concrete steps towards the recognition and admission of State of Palestine as a full member of the United Nations. I hereby put this resolution to the chair, sir.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted unanimously.